Daily Firework. We got the Night Slammer from El Torro. It's a 60 shot. We're having a little party out here playing Xbox outside. Sorry, my back porch is a mess, but let's go shoot this thing off until it gets a little darker. Okay, like and subscribe. Get back. Matthias, get back. Whoa. This thing goes farther than I thought. Matthias, hush.
This is beautiful. When is it going to end?
I think it goes pretty far.